Data classes in Kotlin, everything you need to know. Welcome back to our Kotlin series. Today, we're diving into data classes, one of Kotlin's most powerful features for handling data. Data classes are a concise way to create classes that are primarily used to hold data. They eliminate a lot of boilerplate code that you'd typically write in regular classes. Let's start with a simple example. Here's how you define a data class in Kotlin. You don't need to specify equals, hash code, or toString methods. One of the most important thing is that two objects with the same properties are evaluated as equals without the need to specify hash code and equals methods. Another useful feature is the copy method that allows to create a new copy of an object, changing some properties. In this case, we see that first person and copy of first are not the same since each property is different. If we create a new instance of the person class with the same properties, you will see that first person and second person are equal. With data classes, it's also possible to have mutable properties. In this example, we're changing age to be mutable. Data classes also support destructuring declarations, which can make your code cleaner and more readable. Here is an example. In a data class, like in a standard class, you can also create an initializer using the init block. They can be used to validate properties at instantiation time across all the constructors. In data classes, it's also possible to create a secondary constructor, like in standard classes. In this simple example, we're going to create a constructor that has name property, since age will be set by default to 0. An important thing to notice is the fact that from a secondary constructor, we're obliged to call the primary one using this. A data class can also have the primary constructor set as private. The problem with it is that the copy method will be available anyways. But why would you set a primary constructor as private? It's in the case you want to have an object to be created not from a primary but from a secondary constructor or from a static factory method. Here is a way to create a static factory method using companion object in Kotlin. And here is how to use it. Since it's a static method, we don't need to instantiate the person class. Did you like this clip? Be sure to subscribe for more and remember to watch previous lessons.